Clear code over clever, that's how we fucking roll. Like tailors break up twos, but with a goddamn soul. Your code's a joke, it's an AI disaster. Kermit screams, what the fuck, who's the fucking master? Oh, spell it out, keep it clear, you dumbass. Talk like a goldfish, follow the fucking class. Make it simple like grandma's pie. If she can't get it, neither can you, so don't even try. Complexity, chill the fuck out, don't be a dick. Blowing up code, that's not how we fucking click. Keep your tricks for games, it's not be a prick. Encoding, keep it simple, make it stick. Complexity, chill the fuck out, don't be a dick. Blowing up code, that's not how we fucking click. Keep your tricks for games, let's not be a prick. Encoding, keep it simple, make it stick. Goldfish, follow the fucking class. Make it simple like grandma's pie. If she can't get it, neither can you, so don't even try. Flat, not nested like card makes rants. No soap opera twist, just straight up chance. Sparse and readable like Tom Scott's tweets. Not some highbrow shit, keep it fun and sweet. Follow the fucking class. Make it simple like grandma's pie. If she can't get it, neither can you, so don't even try. We had a code, but it went all wrong. Like a maze on LSD, couldn't find where I belong. Said be clear, but you left me in a daze. Like explaining to a goldfish lost in a fucking haze. Keep it simple, talk to grandma, play. Let you rock complexity like a trunk on hold instead. Flag not nested like layers of cake. But you made a Russian dough, man, give me a fucking break. Sparse and readable like a TikTok outbreak. But you turn it into Shakespeare, the pain you fucking convey. Rules for all the VIPs in sight. But you mess up the cases, left me in the fucking night. Code should be funny, not a tangled mess. But you turn it into chaos, all the fucking stress. So here's my goodbye to your twisted game. Code world, you take the fucking blame. So let's code with clarity, with sass and spite. In Cartman style, we'll get it right. No cryptic mess, just plain and clear. In this coding world, we've nothing to fucking fear. With sass and spite, in Cartman style we'll get it right. No cryptic mess, just plain and clear. In this coding world, we've nothing to fucking fear.